Hello students, this is Miss Pooja Arun Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar East. Today's topic is CND chapter number 2, Network Models part 3. Learning course outcomes are address in TCP/IP protocol suite, physical address, logical address, port address and specific address. Address in TCP/IP protocol suite. Internet. Internet, in order to provide universal communication services, must follow the uniform addressing. The mechanism which identifies machine in a network. The addresses or the identifiers that recognize the host and computers are referred to the host identifier. The classes which are names, addresses and routes. A name basically identifies the object type, an address identifies the object location, and a route describes the path of object retrieval. So addressing is another important concept which is related to the protocol layering in the internet. So there is a logical connection between the pair of the layers or any communication to take place between the source and destination. Two address, namely a source address and a destination address, are needed. Therefore, the figure shows the TCP/IP protocol suite address. The figure shows the relationship between the various layers, the address used in each layer, and the name of the packet at the each layer. We generally use the name to define the site address which provides the required services. For example, prppolytechnic.com. So at the application layer, it also possible to use the email address such as prppolytechnic@gmail.com. So the address at the transport layer is called as a port address or port numbers. This defines the programs at the application layer of the source and destination. So there are the several applications layer programs running at a time, and the port numbers are the local address which is used to distinguish between these programs. So here the application layers is a specific address, and the transport layer is a port address, and the network layer is a logical address, and data link layer is a physical address. So application layer provides a message, transport layer provides a segment, network layer provides a datagram, data link layer provides a frames, and the physical layer provides a data into the form of bits. The address at the data link layer are called the MAC address. First we will see the physical address, which is known as the MAC address. The physical address is the lowest level of the addressing, also as the link addresses. It is a local to the network to which the device is connected to the unique inside it. The physical address is usually included in the frame and it is used as the data link layer. MAC is a type of physical address that is 6 byte 48 bits in size, and it imprinted on the network interface card NIC of the device. The physical addresses can be either unicast, one single recipient, multicast, a group of recipients, or a broadcast cast to be received by all system in the network. For example, most local area network uses a 48 bits physical addresses written as a 12 hexadecimal digits. So every byte is separated by a colon, which is shown as A6 dash byte, that is 12 hexadecimal digits. Physical address is written as a 07 colon 01 colon 02 colon 01 colon 2C colon 4B. Logical address. Logical addresses are used for the universal communication. So logical address is also called as an IP address. So at the network layer, device, that is computer, and the routers are identified universally by the IP addresses. So IP addresses are universally unique. The internet consists of a many physical network interconnected via devices like routers. So internet is a packet switch network. That means the data from the source computer is sent to the form of the small packets which is carrying the destination address upon them. So logical addresses are used for the networking software to allow a packets to be interdependent of the physical connection of the network. That is, to work with the different network topologies and the types of the media. A logical address in the internet is currently a 32-bit address that can uniquely define the host connected to the network. So the packet starts from the source host, passes through the many physical network and finally reaches at the destination host. So at the network layer, the host and the routers are the recognized by their IP addresses or the logical addresses. So an internet address in IPv4 is decimal numbers, that is 132.24.75.9. So every protocol evolved in internetworking requires a IP addresses, and the logical address is used in the internet is currently a 32-bit address. The same IP address can never be used by more than the one computer on the internet. So no two publicly address and the visible host on the internet can have the same address. The physical address will change from the hop to hop, but the logical addresses remain same. The logical addresses can be either unicast, multicast, broadcast. So there are the limitations on the broadcast addresses. Currently there are the two versions of IP addresses being used, that is IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 are the 32-bit address and IPv6 is a 128-bit address. Next one is the port address. A logical address facilitates the transmission of the data from source to destination device, but the source and the destination both may be having a multiple processes communicating with each other. A port address is the name or label given to a process. It is a 16-bit address. Example, Telnet uses a port addresses 23, HTTP uses a port addresses 18. So the modern computers are designed to run a multiple processes on it simultaneously. So the main objective of the internet is the process to process communication. For this purpose, it is necessary to label or the name of the process. So thus the process need a addresses and the label assigned to the process is called as a port address. So the port address is the 16-bit address. So there are the many applications running on the computer. Each application run with a port number on the computer. So port number is a part of addressing information used to identify the senders and receivers messages. The port numbers are most commonly used with the TCP/IP connection. These port numbers allow different applications on the same computer to share a network resources simultaneously. The physical addresses change from the hop to hop, but the logical and the port addresses usually remain same. For example, port address is a 16-bit address represented by one decimal number, that is 753. Specific addresses. The port address facilitates the transmission of data from process to process, but still there may be a problem with data delivery. So there is a need of addressing that helps identify the different instances of the same process. Such addresses are user-friendly address and are called a specific address. So the some application having the user-friendly addresses, the example of specific addresses are the email. The multiple tabs or the windows of the web browsers work under the same process, that is HTTP, but they are identified using the uniform resource locators, that is URL, and the email and the URL are the example of the specific address. Thank you.